Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Talatia. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can sum of two number that is taken by the user input. In this video we can take input from the user and going to and doing sum of that number. In previous video we can see that how you can sum of two number that statically declare by the in the code. So in this video we see how you can take input from user and doing some of that input. So if you are new in my channel, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon and share this video with your friends. So guys, here I am using code blocks for C language. It is a very best editor for C programming. We can make new file and first save it. In tutorial, see here user input sum. And save it. I hope you are understand that what is the meaning of include and here this header file. So here I only need to include studio.h header file only. If you are using Turbo C, then you need to add some more extension like conio.h, clr, scr and getch. So here I am start that void main and declare some variable in integer format a1 number 1 comma number 2 and sum. In sum, the sum of these two number is stored in this sum variable. So here I am going to take input from the user, enter a value of number 1. Why this is showing a error? Okay, I am taken directly variable in it, that's why it is going to showing error. Why it is not problem? So let's forget it. Scanf. Here scanf is using for taking input from the user. Here we need to add percentage %d because percentage %d is using for integer value only. It is take only integer value as a input. So n % number 1. I am directly copying this number. Here we can store it in some variable. Here I am doing addition of these two number 1 and number 2 and here print the answer. Answer is %d. Remember that if you are working with integer variable, then you need to only use %d for taking input and displaying input. Here I am print sum. This is the code for the your taking input from the user and doing sum of this, and I am going to compile and run it. Here it is asking for give input number 1. Let's add 23 plus 10. So this is the your answer 33. Let's do once more that one more multiplication. Run it. 4 multiplied by 6. This is your answer. It is going correctly. It is the only thing that you can use any operator here, arithmetic operation. Then you can perform any arithmetic operation using their here symbol. Here I am going to take 2 and 20. Answer will be 0. So you can it is going to print in decimal number. Then you need to use here float. We can talk about it later. So I am run once more time. 10 divided by 2. This is the answer 5. So you can perform any arithmetic task here. If you are like this video, then please click on like button, and if you have any suggestion for me, then comment it comment section. So guys, we can meet you once in next video. So guys, okay, thank you.